Hi, this is Steve and welcome back. In this test drive lesson, I'll demonstrate how to record payment/fees records for things like insurance premiums and registration renewals, and I'll demonstrate how to add accessories records. I'll move to CARCare. We'll stick with the vehicle that we have been using, the 2013 Toyota Yaris. I'm going to choose the Payment/Fees tab. I'm going to right-click and choose Add Payment Record. I'll leave the date set to today, and this will be for an insurance premium. You'll note when I choose insurance, the total amount changes. This information comes from the Vehicle Details dialog on the Insurance tab, so be sure to define that information. Again, the description will be an insurance premium, and I'll click OK. We've now added a record of an insurance premium payment that we've made for the Yaris. To edit this record, simply double-click on it, make your changes, and click OK. Next, we'll turn to Accessories Records. I'll choose the Accessories tab, and we're going to record the fact that we purchased some floor liners for our 2013 Toyota. So I'll right-click and choose Add Accessory Record. The description will simply be floor liners. We have an order number, and for the vendor, we'll say that we purchased these floor liners from WeatherTech. Next, what I'll do is I'll right-click in the list area here, and I'll choose Add Accessory Item. This is where we're recording the individual items that we purchased. The quantity will remain set to 1. I'll record a part number for our floor liners, and I'll record the cost. And again, this will be for floor liners. In this case, I'm going to add an attachment because I want to record a picture of the floor liners that I've purchased. So I'm going to choose the Browse button here, and I'll go out to the disk and I'll find our image. This is a small image record, so we'll just use the Display Image View mode, and I'll click OK. What's happened now is we've recorded the fact that we have purchased this set of floor liners for our 2013 Yaris. Had we purchased additional parts or accessories from WeatherTech, we would right-click and add another accessory item. I'm going to double-click back on the detail line here, and if you want to view a picture of that attachment that we made, simply click the View button, and you'll see that image appear. We just happened to save this image at the time we purchased these floor liners. Back at the accessories record, we see the subtotal for the material that we purchased, and we're including 5% tax, which gives us the total amount. I'll click OK to save our accessory record. If we needed to edit this record, simply double-click, make your changes, and click OK. Well, this concludes this short lesson covering payments records and accessories records. Please be sure to continue to view the remaining test drive videos to learn more. And thank you for watching.